After rumors ran rampant on social media that Alkaline US visa was revoked, his manager Karina Beckford, who is also his sister, said that the news was false and further stated that this was a ploy by some individuals to create unnecessary drama. This is all rumors, she said. This is just something created by some unknown people who want to start something negative. Alkaline is not having any visa issues anywhere. She said that he's presently in Germany and will leave from there to go to London and then Canada, and these visas are all intact. She went on to say that this was the latest set of rumors intended to damage the entertainer's image. She also dispelled any other past rumors that Alkaline was banned from any other country. She reassured his fans that Alkaline is doing well and appreciate the support that he's getting from his fans worldwide. She also explained that Alkaline is currently working on releasing the hard copy CD of his chart-topping album New Level Unlocked. She did not give a specific date but said it would be soon, and that he looks forward to continue sharing his music with the world in all formats. News that his visas are intact will come as welcoming news to his fans worldwide, who I am sure will be eager to see Alkaline perform live. Alkaline hardly performs in Jamaica, so if he was grounded from the US, it would have been a devastating blow to his earning potential, as North America is one of the biggest markets for dancehall music. Alkaline has the freedom to do what he does best in the most effective way without restrictions of border, and should do everything that it takes to maintain that status. My advice would be that he humbles himself and stay away from the senseless drama and controversy that always seems to find him or he always seeks. There is one thing that Alkaline's manager said that I thought was very funny, and that is that people are trying to start up unnecessary drama. Honestly speaking, when I first heard the rumors, the first thing came to my mind is that there goes Alkaline and his team again, trying to pull off some attention-grabbing scheme. I cannot even lie, Alkaline is notorious for pulling off that kind of stunt, but now that he's actually boss, I hope that the gimmicks will stop. But I will just have to keep my fingers crossed while thinking out to myself, I doubt it very much. Big up yourself, Alkaline. You're doing major things locally and internationally, and you're an inspiration in some way. And it goes to show that hard work and a little trickery goes a long way. Just kidding, don't hold it against me. Honestly, I would like to say that I was relieved when it was confirmed that his visa was intact. As an unbiased fan of dancehall, it is disheartening when I hear that a dancehall artist is grounded, whether it's by their own fault or otherwise, because I know the domino effect it will have on their family and their dependents. Thanks once again for checking out my videos. It's greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.